You don't need to fix yourself right now. You need to slow down. Hey. Your chest feels tight. Your thoughts move fast. Your body thinks you're under attack. But nothing is broken, nothing is wrong. Your nervous system is trying to be strong. Before you judge, before you blame, slow the story, calm the frame. Regulate, regulate, slow it down, it's not too late. Let your body recalibrate. Regulate, regulate, calm body first, the mind will wait. You are safe, even when it doesn't feel that way. High functioning, but running thin, helped in everyone, ignoring within. You learn to hold, but not to rest. You master strength, but not your breath. Before reaction, choose repair. Let your shoulders drop from there. Regulate, regulate, slow it down, it's not too late. Let your body recalibrate. Regulate, regulate, calm body first, the mind will wait. You are safe, your body's responding to something. Most people aren't broken, they're overstimulated, undersupported, and exhausted. Rest resets the brain. You regulate, regulate, let the rhythm steady your state. Feel your heartbeat, slow its pace. Regulate, regulate, your body is not your enemy, it's protecting you until you're ready to breathe.